Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 26th of April. And first of all, national news. Poor understanding, India trashed US report on alleged rights abuse. RBI plans curbs on suspect bank accounts to fight cyber fraud, a report said. Supreme Court imposed 5 lakh fine on center over frivolous petition. Hackers attacked Indian firms 2,444 per week in last 6 months, a report said. Judged by what we do at home, India on pro-Palestinian protest at US universities. Will campaign for father in Baramulla, Lok Sabha seat, Omar Abdullah's sons. Adani Group's ACC Limited logs highest ever annualized profit at 2,337 crore rupees in financial year 2024. Matter taken up with Tehran, India on Kashmir mentioned in Pak-Iran statement. International news. Thousands of flights cancelled as French air traffic controllers strike. Depression and heart disease could have genetic link, a study said. Europe tourist hotspots got tough on visitors, launch curbs. US announced sweeping cuts to power sector carbon emission. And a UK boy 9-year-old won European Gull Screeching Championship. Over 100 pilot whales stranded on Australian beach likely to be euthanized. Venice introduced day tickets to battle mass tourism. Biden supported freedom of expression, US on pro Palestine protest on campuses. Now, some sports news. Have heavily benefited from his academy. Yukesh D on chess legend Vishwanathan Anand. HS Pranoy, finding his way back after chronic stomach disorder, returns to trouble him. 7 wickets for 0 run, Indonesian teenager destroyed T20 international world record. India to bid for World Chess Championship hosting rights. AICF Secretary Dev Patel. Now business related news. Axis Bank approved reappointment of Amitabh Chaudhary as CEO for 3 years. Hyundai plan to scale up production capacity, introduce more EVs in India. Hindustan Unilever shared dip 2% post fourth quarter earnings. Kotak Mahindra Bank plunged 10% after RBI action, Nifty Bank under pressure. Illegal forex trading, RBI cautions banks, customers. And that's all in news. Thank you.